I'm videotaping you. Look at my car. The drift on my car. Look at the drift on my car. This is the real zombie land. Haha, you fell. Janae, you don't even got no gloves on with your crazy ass. We ain't gonna be out here that long. Look at the drift on my car. Look at this drift. My car is completely buried. That is my tire, my friends. Dude, where's my car? Yeah, lay there long enough and we won't be able to find you. Look, there's actually vehicles moving. Look at the drifts over there by the side. Yeah, it doesn't take long. We'll see if we can see my car in the morning, because it's half buried now. Megan looks like she's getting ready to go rob somebody. All in black. I'm posting you on Facebook. I'm putting you on Facebook too. Oh my God! You better settle down.
I can't see. What is that an odd fun? Yeah, what are we gonna do if he wakes up and be like?
Oh, he sleeps like the dead. He's not gonna wake up there. Megan, you just ride a perfectly good snowdrift. Oh, don't ruin my snowdrift. This is how you have fun in Wisconsin in a blizzard, dude. At 12:30 a.m. Dang, Janae, you done disappeared over there behind the drift. I fell. You fell? Woo! Look at that wind blow! It done knocked you off the snowbank! You done rolled right off like you were going to keep on rolling. I'm going to need some hot cocoa after this. You need to help Janae up. She ain't even got nothing on her fingers. Can you even get up? You're like down there like a walrus, dude.
I'm gonna get up. I got no gloves.
You moron. Why don't you got gloves on?
I couldn't find them.
Zombieland. Look at Janae. She's in Zombieland.
Don't have any gloves.
Look at that wind blowing, man. That wind is awesome.
It is all.
Zombieland. Do you remember the rules of Zombieland?
Peace out.
The snow. Calisthenics.
It's deep over there, so don't go over there. Walk over there. No.
Can't even see you. You all blend into the dark so much.
Can't feel my fingers.
I can't feel my fingers either. It's about 30 seconds. I'm about done getting out here in this fresh air. Go back up into this stuffy, warm crib. Look, Megan done disappeared.
Can't see you. Can't help you.
We're going in, Megan. Appendages are starting to freeze. There she is. It's alive! Holy crap, this wind is strong enough to knock you over, dude. Can't even walk in it. Look at Megan.